In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact LinkedIn customer service. If you need help with your LinkedIn account, a billing issue, access problems, or a general support question, LinkedIn provides a built-in way to reach their customer service team directly from the platform. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so you can get into the support chat quickly and without confusion. To begin, go to your LinkedIn profile dashboard. This is your main LinkedIn home area after signing in, and it's the best place to start because all of the account and support options are easy to access from there. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before moving on, especially if you manage more than one profile or browser session. Once you're on your LinkedIn dashboard, look toward the top row of the page and click on the Me dropdown. This menu contains your personal account options, settings, and additional tools connected to your profile. If you don't immediately see it, check the top navigation bar where LinkedIn places your profile-related shortcuts. After opening that drop-down, click on Help. This will take you into LinkedIn's help and support area where you can find answers to common issues and also connect with customer service. If the page takes a moment to load, just give it a second, since support pages sometimes open in a separate section of the platform. When you arrive in the Help section, find the area labeled Chat with Support, and then click Start Chat. This is the key step that opens LinkedIn's support messaging option. It's useful because it gives you a more direct way to explain your issue, instead of browsing through articles manually. Depending on your account or the type of issue, you may first see automated prompts before reaching a live support path, so be ready to describe your problem clearly. Once the chat window appears, click into the message field in the bottom right corner inside the chat window. This is where you'll type your support request. Try to keep your message specific and easy to understand so the support process moves faster. For example, briefly describe the issue, mention what page or feature is affected, and explain what you've already tried. That's it. By going to your LinkedIn dashboard, opening the Me dropdown, selecting Help, starting the support chat, and typing into the message field, you can contact LinkedIn customer service in just a few steps. If this is your first time using LinkedIn support, taking it slowly and following each screen carefully will make the process much easier.